Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Suncity. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Do you want to add an age restriction or age verification to your website in WordPress? Now sometimes you need to add that if you want your content to be accessed only by a certain age group. Now this might be because of some legal issues or some of your personal feelings or morals. Now in this video you'll learn how to add age verification to your website in WordPress. To add that, you need to go to your WordPress admin dashboard, hover onto plugins and then click on add new. Then the search box, search for AgeGate plugin. We are looking for this plugin, so let's click on install now. And once it's installed, let's click on activate. Now once the plugin is activated, we need to configure its settings. So in the sidebar, hover onto the age gate and then click on restrictions. Now you can see various settings are available here. So you can set the default age, post restriction on either all content or only on some selected things. Now scrolling down to validate age using, from the drop down menu, select either input field, yes or no, or drop down boxes. You will see various options that how it's going to validate age. Now you can set the button order as well. Now you need to enable the remember me checkbox, enable auto check remember me box as well. Now once everything is done, click on save changes. And once the settings are saved successfully, let's visit the website to check the same. Now you can see the age verification screen in action here. You can even customize it to look better. Now move back to the dashboard where we left earlier. Click on the messaging tab. On this page you can add a heading or a sub-headline. Now day labels etc. can be added here as well. For example, in the headline text box, you can enter the text or the warning to be shown as a heading. Similarly, you can add headline and additional content as well. Now once you've done the settings on the screen as per your own choice, scroll down and then click on save changes. Now let's move to appearance tab. Here you can set the logo or the background color and configure various different settings which are available here. Now once all of this is done, again click on save changes and let's move to our website to see if it's actually working. Now you can see the AgeGate screen is now looking better than before, and background color as well as heading have also been added. So this is all which is needed by you to be done to add an age verification to your website in WordPress. Now you can customize it, make it more better, appealing according to your website's appearance and looks by customizing those settings even more. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.